I've given that a wash, and you'll find sometimes you'll get inside the little portholes on the tops of the burners there, you'll get grease in them. So it's a good idea, just let that dry in the sun for a little while, and then get yourself a little poker, piece of wire or a skewer, and just basically poke out any of the little holes that might have a blockage of some fat or grease. And what happens with these burners, as they get older, they start to rust from the heat. And you'll find that the holes in the tops of the burners, the rust actually makes the hole swell, but it actually gets smaller. So the holes get smaller. So if you find your burner is not burning as well as it used to burn, then maybe take them out, give them a wash, and then just find yourself a poker that's the same size, and just poke them out. And you'll find that you can bring the burner back to life. The same thing, if you've got a burner and when you light it, the flame goes along and then it stops. It's normally because you've got a bit of grease that's blocking the portholes and it can't track. It can't go all the way down because there's grease blocking a certain part of it. And then if you just get a little wire and just poke them out, you'll find that then the burner will track nice and easy again. But a little bit of a tedious job, but you've got a choice. You can do a little clean, or you can come down and you can just buy new burners. We're ready. We've given those a bit of a wash, and then we'll just put them back into the barbie and see how they go. Now with the Horizon, they've actually got a left and a right hand burner, and you'll see that on this burner it's got a little box, and on this burner here it's got a little box. And those two little boxes want to face each other because that's how they cross light from one burner to another. So when you put them back in, you've just got to eye up that injector. You want the injector to go into the center of this tube here, and then just drop them down like that. And you may have to adjust your ignition probes. I've just put these burners back in, and I'm just playing with this ignition because you want that spark to jump from the end of the probe into one of these little portholes. If I put my hand here and push the sparker, so that's set now.